It is not secret that plastic bottles are extremely harmful to the environment. However, one of the cool things about plastic bottles is that it can be reused several times until it's finally worn out and discarded in the bin. Many times trash pickers pick up these bottles which is still look as good as new and sell it to people who refill the bottles, seal it again and sell it to another thirsty buyer. This is extremely harmful to the consumer. However, should anything go wrong, the blame would come on the brand name that's on the bottle, costing companies a ton of money in the terms of consumer trust. However, now researchers at Lovely Professional University have found a fix for it. According to a report, LPU researchers have developed a novel bottle cap that is both innovative and cost effective, which prevents the tampering of both used and unused water bottles. The bottle cap design consists of not one but two rings. The bottommost ring breaks open when the bottle is used for the very first time, whereas the second ring sits right on the lip of the bottle. That will act as a barrier of sorts and prevent resealing of the bottles. The researchers for this innovation have also bagged a patent from the Indian Patent Office. Researchers said in a statement that water bottle tampering is a common issue that has plagued the mineral water and carbonated drink industry for long. Not only does it affect the consumer monetarily, it also puts their life at risk. At the same time, packaged bottling companies lose millions due to such malpractices every year. We are confident that our solution can pull the plug on such practices and lead to a safe outside home water consumption.